Hi all, so this is a wireless doorbell. It's not exactly doorbell, you can use it if you want that if someone comes. This is an infrared detector, so it will do a sound. We will know that he came by some areas that you want to make sure he's there. So let's see what we have. Something to install the detector. Okay, this is from AliExpress. So we have, this is battery operated, and this is the receiver, and there is a connector here which I don't understand why do I need it for. I don't understand why do I need the micro. Maybe I can. Okay, I think that maybe it can work with the battery and you don't need to plug in. This is the reason for the micro USB. This is just an assumption. You know, I never read the data sheet. So now we will need to install some batteries and we can test. And there are 40 melodies. 40, something like this. I think so. What is written on, no, 38 melodies. Okay, so this is probably moving between the melodies. And then we have this probably on off if you want to activate it or turn it off. Now we need to put batteries to see that it works. And of course, another important thing that I want to know what frequency it is transmitting between those two units. So we'll do a test. So we're in a debugging process. So this battery is dead. This battery is dead. Very good battery, you know. Cannot trust my batteries anymore. So I'm using now different batteries. Okay, this is one. I think those from Amazon. Yes, this is second. And maybe I have another good battery here. Yeah. So now these batteries should be okay. Yeah. You see now it is working. Good. So it's all about batteries. Cannot trust these batteries. I don't know from where I have those batteries. Okay, this is another issue, but now let's plug the power bank that I have here to this unit to see if my assumption is correct, but I need. Okay, found the cable here. Let's connect this guy here. Okay, so my assumption is correct. You can work with a power bank. This is nice. Now you basically want to know how much current this receiver is consuming. Do you see? 1 milliamp. Whoa, this is nice. This is very nice because the consumption power is very, very low. And this means that it can work a lot of time even with a power bank. Amazing, 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 amazing. The power bank turn off because the current is so low, but you have power banks that can supply a very low power Yeah, this is nice. Okay, I'm pretty pleased with this one. The last thing is to find what is the frequency. Basically, trying to find the frequency of the transmitter. Okay, we can immediately see the cursor is actually on the frequency, which is 400 megahertz. So we will put it at this frequency. Yeah, we can see that the marker is here. So let's go to the marker. So this is transmitter transmitting at 433 megahertz as expected, like all the small instrument. Yeah, so this is all for now, for today. Pretty good, look nice. Another test that I would like to do before ending this video is about the power consumption of this unit, of the transmitter. This transmitter usually also use a very low current, but we can try to test it. Okay, so the current is, as expected, almost zero, which means this instrument can't even see because the current is very low. But if it is detecting, so the current is going high because it is transmitting. That's all for today. Look very good. The power consumption is very low and recommended. So I do recommend about these guys. Thank you and bye.